Hello friends, welcome back to the another episode of Parvinder Singh Cooking. Today I make a egg omelette for you. Egg is the powerhouse of protein. So my dear friends, without wasting a time, I make a very simple egg omelette for you. Eggs offer numerous benefits because they are nutrients dense containing high quality protein, vitamins A, D, E, B, minerals, health, fats, and antioxidants. They support muscle growth, brain health, eye health, and bone health with vitamin D. Additionally, eggs can aid in weight management. The ingredients I use in an egg omelette is some cut pieces of onion, chopped tomatoes, and chopped capsicum. A little bit of chili powder and salt according to our taste. I use a 4 eggs in this recipe. During pregnancy, lutein and zeaxanthin found in eggs are powerful antioxidants that protect eye health and reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions. It also supports muscles growth. The high-quality protein helps build and maintain lean muscle mass, making eggs beneficial. And I spoil the egg in a pan and put chopped tomatoes in a pan. Capsicum also transferred in a pan and chopped onion. Mixed all the materials in a simple way and add mixed masala for flavor. This is a mixture of salt and chili powder and capsicums and black pepper. Mixed all the ingredients gently. Enhance skin, hair and nails. B vitamins including biotin and riboflavin contributes to the healthy and resilience of skin, hair and nails. After that, take a pan, put little bit of olive oil in a pan and warm it for few seconds. After that, transfer 4 mixtures in a pan and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Beneficial for strength, boost brain function. Choline and B. Vitamin B in eggs are essential for cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health. Antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin help protect against cataracts and macular degeneration. Eggs increase feelings of fullness, helping to reduce overall calories intake and supports weight loss effort. Eggs are help balance cholesterol level and increase good cholesterol HDL. It contributes vitamin D and phosphorus found in eggs are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. When the color is changed into brown, it means our egg omelette is ready for serve. And please try it in your home. Eggs offer numerous benefits because they are nutrient dense, containing high quality protein, vitamins A, D, E, B, minerals, health, fats, and antioxidants. They support muscle growth, brain health, eye health, and bone health with vitamin D. Additionally, eggs can aid in weight management by increasing satiety, help maintains healthy cholesterol level, and contribute to healthy skin and hair. Eggs is a complete powerhouse of protein. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids which are crucial for building and repairing tissues. Vitamins and minerals, they are rich in vitamins A, D, E, B12, folate and minerals like selenium, phosphorus and iron. Eggs provide choline, a vital nutrient for brain health, cell membranes and fetal development during. Thank you for watching Parvinder Singh Cooking.